So I just came outside to look at my plants, and I didn't realize that my daughter put them back in the greenhouse. Look at this. Lovely. I know that can't be good. That cannot be good. So I guess I gotta dump both of these. This is just gonna be a quick video, you guys. I wanted to show you guys. So I guess I need to dump both of these. These are my radishes that I planted on November 30th. Nothing has grown, so I guess I just gotta dump it in the backyard and I guess get rid of these grow bags. I feel like they're like contaminated now. That's crazy. Like I said, I did not realize that she put them back in here. Usually I just leave them out, and I have been leaving them in the grass too, so I did not realize that she put them back in here, and now they have a furry blanket on top of them. At this point, fall gardening is not for me, so I am just going to focus on my spring garden, and I'm just going to start prepping for my spring garden, because fall, between the cold weather and me trying to grow stuff, I'm frustrated. I am so frustrated at this point. So I'm not giving up on gardening, but I am officially giving up on fall gardening. Yep, look at that. They have their own ecosystem now. Isn't that lovely? Nice little ecosystem growing now. I'm going crazy, you guys. Going crazy.